So this was my genius idea to get the fire started. There's 3 really long sticks in there that are really dry, and they're gonna catch. They're catching, hopefully. Again. It's gonna look so cool. Hey, you can see it better there. That's so awesome. Thank you. Why didn't you think of that?
Hey, I thought of the box idea.
Just kidding. Ah!
And
Okay.
it comes tumbling down.
It's not gonna come tumbling down. It's my creation.
And that's why it's gonna come tumbling down.
You're mean. You're meaner than me. You know that?
I'm
Just
meaner
kidding.
than mean.
Meaner than me.
Oh.
I gotta go put more stuff on the fire. Be back.